The Sustainable Development Goals or Global Goals are a collection of 17 interlinked global goals designed to be a blueprint to achieve a better and more sustainable future for all. The SDGs were set in 2015 by the United Nations General Assembly and are intended to be achieved by the year 2030. The 2030 Agenda for Sustainable Development was launched in 2015 to end poverty and set the world on a path of peace, prosperity and opportunity for all on a healthy planet. The Sustainable Development Goals demand nothing short of a transformation of the financial, economic and political system that govern our societies today to guarantee the human rights of all. We, the students of Beeless World School, have also started taking the initiative in making this world a beautiful place to live. So as we know, our goal for this week is Goal 50, Life on Land. Hence, this is the second week for us, but we have learned many new things in these 2 weeks. So, Prisha Sarraf is here to share and present some works done by our team till now. So you can see some works or some projects done by our team in these 2 weeks. Some are projects, some are posters, some are drawings and etc. You must have listened very important 3 words in your life, that is reusing, reducing and recycling. So these 3 words are very important for the environment. These are the ways by which we can save our environment. So let's start with the first one, that is reusing. So reusing and giving a new purpose to old materials is one of the best ways to help the environment. Through reusing, we can make a bird box house out of a cardboard, which is very easily available at our home. We only need paper or a cardboard box, pencil, scissors, string or dry straw. In first step, we just have to draw a circle. In second step, we have to cut it. In third step, we have to stick some strings on the top of it so that we can hang it. And in the fourth one, we have to put the dry straws so that whenever any bird sits on it, it will be comfortable. This idea will help our environment and the birds too. In this way of reusing, we can reuse the plastic bottles and make a planter out of that, like these ones, and we can plant any air purifying plants or any plant which we wish. In the third one, we can use the piles of unwanted paper or paper which is already used, paper which we have already used and we have written any notes or something, and we can make handmade paper out of the old piles of waste paper which we generally throw, and we can make it easily at our homes. Now we can reuse the glass bottles and make very beautiful decorative pieces or planters for planting any water plants like money plants or etc. Here I have used even a coffee container for planting money plant, and I have decorated with some things which I wanted. Second important word is reducing. So small action can help protect the environment from being damaged. We should take care of our planet as it is our home. So we can reduce plastic by many ways, but one of the ways through which In our India, we can reduce the use of plastic glass by using a cooler, which sometimes can be called a shikora. But in our traditional language, we call it a cooler. It is a handless clay cup from India, and we can use it instead of plastic glasses, as it is made of organic materials such as soil. And through this, we can reduce the use of plastic and we can save our environment. The third very important word is recycling. So, recycling is the process of converting recyclable materials into new ones and objects. It helps to reduce the pollution caused by the waste. In recycling, we can recycle plastic bottle or plastic container by throwing it in the red box. Then we can throw any glass material such as bottle, glass jar, jam glasses by throwing it in the green one. And we can throw the paper like cardboard, magazine, newspaper, office paper, Tetra Pak cartoon in the blue one. And we can throw the metals such as can, aluminium or etc. in the yellow one. And we should remember a very important point, that recyclable materials are not trash. They are not garbage which we are throwing in a garbage dump. But it is a way of reusing that materials and manufacturing a new one from them. We should practice home recycling and separate the recyclable materials at our home. The major component of earth is pollution, which is increasing day by day and which is not good for our environment and for our health too. Pollution is a global problem. Water and air pollution are the biggest causes of global warming. Pollution in general can cause human diseases. The best way to save our earth from the pollution is to plant more trees and also saving the trees. We have planted the trees, but how to take care of them? So let's make a food fertilizer for them. But how? We can only make it by using only kitchen waste. So in this collage, you can see that how we can make a food fertilizer out of the kitchen wastes. First, we have to take a container with water, then put some banana peels, orange peels, peas peels, etc. And then after some days, we can observe that now its color is black and it has bad smell, and then we can get to know that now it is ready. Then we have to take a bucket full of water and then pour all the liquid inside it, and then it is ready for the plants. Saving our earth is the most precious way by which we can save our earth, save our environment and save our lives too. So our team has written some ways to be a better steward for the environment. So that was it for today, and I hope that you liked all of the work which was done by our team. Every small action counts. Let's protect the environment together. But before leaving, I would like to show some photos in which we are working and which proves that work is in the progress. So here we have made some pots. We have painted some pots to make it interesting, and we have planted many plants in it. Here we have made some t-shirt designs out of a plain t-shirt. And we have also made a very boring handbag, a very good looking and beautiful handbag. So this was a bulletin board which was prepared by our team. So now, once again, thank you. This PPT was made by Prisha Sarraf of class 7th.